Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my vlog. We are on a road trip and I've secured my pumpkin spiced iced coffee from Dunkin'. We're headed to Hershey PA. Nick is going to a conference there, and in this vlog I'm going to take you guys through some alternate things to do in the Hershey area, things that aren't just Chocolate World and going to the parks. So if you want to see what I'm up to this weekend, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and keep watching. We made it to the King of Prussia Mall. We dropped Nick off at the Hershey Lodge for his conference. He has his conference today till 9 p.m. So I decided to take a little day trip to the King of Prussia Mall, which is only an hour and 20 minutes from Hershey. I've been here once before in 2022 and it was the most fabulous time. I did so much shopping. I had like 10 bags. It was incredible. And I'm really excited to go shopping here again today. I'm so excited to go to Primark, Aritzia, Zara, Bloomingdale's. There's just so many great stores here. I'm really excited about the Primark though and Zara because we don't have those in Pittsburgh, so it's gonna be amazing. So let's go in and grab some food and then go shopping. I wonder what that's going to be. It's under construction. It looks cool though. I wonder if it's gonna be like an amusement park or if it's just gonna be like a big store or a place you can go watch Netflix shows. I don't know. Let me know if you know. I'm already lost trying to find the food court. This mall is enormous. Section, and it's definitely a little bit more depleted than last time. Like that could be cute or it could be tacky. I had to make a little pit stop at the car because I had so many bags. I got some leggings at Uniqlo and a bunch of stuff at Primark, so dropped that off and I'm headed back in, and it's like 3:45 right now. So we are in Macy's backstage and I found these 3 outfits. I found this dress, which could be cute for my trip to wine country next month. I found this dress, which I thought was a cute work dress, and then we'll see how these jeans fit. They're super soft. These jeans are just giving camel toe. Other than that, it would be good because I like how they fit in the waist and through the leg, but they're just giving camel toe.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do.
We got the candied grapes and I can't wait to try them. Oh my god, they're hard. I can't even bite them. They're like sugary and like this hard candy glaze on the outside. They're actually pretty good. They do just taste like candy grapes. So I just checked into the room and to my surprise, there is this enormous goodie basket here. It's because Nick helped plan the conference. He's on the conference committee, but I was like, oh my god, so many snacks. I don't think he's seen it yet because he's been at the conference all day, but it's like 8 o'clock right now and I'm back here at the Hershey Lodge. Probably just gonna chill, watch some TikToks. I got so many good things. I cannot wait to do a haul and show you guys. I got the cutest summer dress at Anthropologie. It's so cute. The mall was amazing. I feel like I don't even scratch the surface of that mall every time that I go. There's just so many stores. You could spend like 12 hours there. And I don't even think you would see everything, but I knew I had to get back. I didn't want to be like driving too late. The mall did close at 8. I left around 6:20, so I didn't want to be like on the road too late, and I was honestly getting tired. I got so many steps, easily over 10,000 steps. I had checked like halfway through my day there and I was like at 9 something, so no, I'm definitely over 10,000 steps. But if you have the chance to go to the King of Prussia Mall, I highly, highly suggest going. It is a fashion lover's paradise. Seriously, there's so many stores. I went in this store that was called Squishable, and they had all these Squishmallows. I think I inserted a clip before this of that, but it was so cute. I secured this almond pumpkin spiced latte and a bagel, and I'm gonna eat this before attempting to go to the gym. I put on my workout fit as soon as I got up because I'm like, no excuses. I am going to the gym today and getting a workout in. I just did a 25-minute run and then I walked for 10 minutes and I'm sweating. This gym is so nice. They have a little towel station and it looks like a little water station too. Okay, I am walking around this place trying to find Nick's car. It is so confusing. I parked it last night and I saw it inside, but now I can't find it. My haul from the King of Prussia Mall that I got yesterday. So first up, I got this really cute work tote at Primark. It was like $25, I believe, and it's so cute. I love the shape of it. It's really unique, and I don't have any bags shaped like this, so I picked it up. I also got inside the bag this little Disney Winnie the Pooh The Best Things in Life Are Not Things crossbody. We may or may not be going to Disney World next year, but even if we don't go next year, I feel like, you know, the next time I go to Disney World, this is the perfect little bag to take. And it was only $19, so I feel like I won't feel bad about taking it to the parks and getting it like messed up or whatever. So I definitely would prefer to take this in like a Kate Spade or a Tory Burch bag. I also got this black belt. I've been really trying to get into belts. I'm personally not a belt person, but I feel like they just really dress up your outfits and make them look super chic. So I actually don't own any black belts, so I bought this. And then also from Primark, I picked up this super chic long brown coat. It's like a trench coat. It was only $35. Primark has such good deals on coats. It's unreal. I got a coat there a couple of years ago and I wear it all the time. It's so high quality, but I feel like this is just a really great, nice coat for fall and early winter. And again, I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, so I feel like this will be super nice. And then finally, I got this super fun sweat set outfit. It was priced really well. The pants were $14 and the shirt was $13, which is insane for a sweatsuit. And it's like this taupe color. It says good vibes only. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel the material. It's literally the softest material ever. And I feel like this will be so perfect for like traveling on a plane and stuff. And this is also like super cozy because honestly, I don't really have any cozy sweat sets. And whenever I go on like long plane rides, like when we went to Hawaii and we went to Europe, I'm always kind of like, I don't have anything good for those plane rides. So I'm really, really happy with that purchase. Then at Francesca's, I'm going to open this up because it's just super cute. I got this really beautiful beaded necklace with like the gold heart. I have another similar necklace I was wearing yesterday actually, but I don't have any with like these beads, and they're like white with navy. And I thought this would be so beautiful with like a navy sweater or a white sweater or like a white dress. Even this dress I'm wearing today, I feel like it would look so nice with, because the necklace I have yesterday is more like a metallic and I feel like it goes better with like blacks. And this goes better with like softer colors, but same idea, but just a little bit of a different color palette. And again, this was on sale. It was like $7.80 or something like that. Insane. Then at Anthropologie, I actually don't own any clothes from Anthropologie, so this was a big moment for me, but their sale stuff was an extra 40% off. So I got this really cute red and white striped dress with like these little sunglasses and palm trees on them. And it has like a tie in the back. It is so cute. I feel like this would just be absolutely gorgeous for a beach trip. And then I got like the world's most flattering dress. It's white with these like brown and blue stripes, and it cinches in at the waist, and that's where it's so flattering, the cinch at the waist. And I feel like this would be just perfect for work or like a baby boy shower or Easter or like a fancy brunch, something like that. I don't know. I just love the way this dress fit me, and it like wasn't on my radar, but then I saw someone else grab it and I was like, that is so cute. And so then I went and grabbed it and I tried it on, and I'm really obsessed with both of these. That Anthropologie was like out of this world. Then lastly, at Uniqlo, I have a couple shirts in Uniqlo in their Heat Tech line, and they're very warm. So I decided to get a pair of their black leggings, and they are super, super nice. They are super comfy and like fleece lined, super stretchy. And I just know in the colder months, I'm gonna be really happy that I picked these up. So I feel like everything I got was like pretty useful. The dress was definitely like fun, the dress from Anthropologie, but everything else is just like so useful, and I feel like I'm gonna get a ton of use out of it. I didn't pick up anything from TJ Maxx today. It was kind of like a miss. There wasn't much. Now we've been chilling at the hotel for a little bit, and then we have dinner reservations at an Italian place in a little bit. Okay, vlog, it's dark out and there's been a turn of events. We did not make it to our dinner because Nick's front end partially fell off, and now we're going to an auto store to try to get materials to fix it. So that is the update, because we have tried calling both AAA and Progressive and they've ignored us and not come and really not helped us. So we called up my dad, shout out to you, and he thinks we can potentially fix this ourselves. So that's what we're gonna try to do. So stay tuned, because things might get interesting. So I definitely just wasted $7 on this sandwich, because this is absolutely nasty and there's no way I'm eating this. Like, what do they even call this? This is so gross. It's supposed to be egg and cheese. This egg is like rubber. Okay, this is our crazy packing situation here. So long story short, last night did not exactly go according to plan. We were supposed to go to this nice Italian restaurant called Finici's that someone recommended us to go to, and so we had reservations, but whenever we went to go to dinner, we realized like Nick's car was like parked over this curb, and I like pointed it out before we got in the car, but we just kind of like, oh yeah, whatever. But whenever he went to back out, we heard this snap, and of course we stopped and got out and looked at it, and like a part of his front end actually came off from the impact of backing up over the curb. So we were like, oh my god, what do we do? Can we even drive this car? We have no idea, you know, we're not really car people. So we get on the phone with, I have AAA, Nick has Progressive, and it's like calling them, waiting for them to call back, being transferred, being on hold, all of that. And essentially neither of them came out, because it was a Saturday night at 7 p.m. and like we could have waited for Progressive, but it would have been like hours, and none of the body shops around here were even open, so we couldn't even be towed anywhere, and no one could really do anything about it since nowhere was open on Saturday night or today, Sunday. So I end up FaceTiming my dad and showing him the car, and he's like, well, I think you guys can drive it because the other half of the front end and like the center of the front end are like still intact. So we end up going to AutoZone and getting tape, like this heavy duty duct tape. And so Nick taped it up. And so now we're gonna see if it holds up for our 3-hour drive home, which I really hope it does. Hopefully we're not getting like stranded on the side of the PA Turnpike. That would not be ideal. But anyway, that's what happened last night. I don't even remember how much of it I vlogged, because I was on so many phone calls and like FaceTimes, and it was just crazy. But today's our last day here. Nick is still at the conference. I'm gonna go move all of our bags to his car, and then I'm actually gonna drive it to this like antique store. I've recently gotten into antiquing, if you will. And by recently, I mean my last trip to NOLA, because I found this antique store in NOLA, and it was just so cool. And I've been collecting matchbooks, and I think it's just really cool to walk around them and see like what you can find. It's really like, I think it's cool to see like the past and, you know, other people's stuff. And I'm not somebody that like buys whatever, but I feel like it's cool to see what they have. So I'm gonna go do that while Nick finishes up the conference. And yeah, that's pretty much the update and what's been happening over here.
Open air, side by side we sway there.
This place is insane. I found some really cool matches. The store was an immense success. I got 3 different matchbooks. I got this one where it says Three Rivers Stadium, Pittsburgh, Allegheny Club. I'm from Pittsburgh, so I thought that was cool. And the other one is Dancing and Shows, New England's Finest Dining Award. I'm not sure what the name of the restaurant is, I can't see. But I got that one because it was Pittsburgh based. And then I also got Bally's at Atlantic City and the Golden Nugget. So I thought those were cool. And then finally, I really like this one, Outrigger Inn, Cape Cod, and then Mel's Drive-In. I thought that was super, super cute. So I do collect matchbooks as of, honestly, I've been collecting them for like the past year, but I feel like the last couple months, I really have like expanded my collection. But it was a super cool store. I definitely recommend if you're looking for something different to do in Hershey. It's like a 5-minute drive from the Hershey Lodge. Just had an amazing brunch at the Stacks. It's a new restaurant at the Hershey Lodge. Highly recommend. The breakfast quesadilla was insane. And now we are going to head home, and that's a wrap on this trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.